So guys, PAWS is set to launch in December. This is a very good news. Remember in my last video, I told you that this project is not going to take too long to launch. This project actually started 1 month ago and they are set to launch. You can see that that was the same pattern that dogs had before it launched to show you that this particular project is not here to mess with you. In just 1 month, the PAWS project was able to gather 50 million users. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? That is a lot. That is actually a very good sign that people are paying attention to PAWS airdrop, and I feel we are going to make a lot of money. Now, just yesterday, CoinMarketCap made a post about PAWS airdrop. They dropped an article right there in their Telegram page saying that the PAWS airdrop is set to launch by December 30th. That was what this article said. CoinMarketCap. When I saw this message, I wasn't sure because it was not confirmed. So I waited just so I won't pass a wrong information to you guys. I waited for an information directly from the PAWS team, and today they dropped a message on their Telegram channel as well saying this: 1 month equals to 50 million. That in the space of 1 month they were able to gather 50 million monthly users. That's a win. That's a milestone, right? They now said in this post that it's been an incredible month since PAWS launched and we've already hit over 50 million plus users. We are beyond grateful for each and every one of you who's been with us, supporting and growing the community. Now, important details. PAWS farming season ends in December. We'll announce the exact date, but rest assured, we are not stopping there. Now, considering what was posted on CoinMarketCap's page yesterday and what the PAWS team are saying right now, there is no really much difference from what they are both saying. That means we should expect PAWS by December. So we should keep our fingers crossed that by December, PAWS is going to end the farming season during December. Now, they said that PAWS farming season ends in December. They didn't say December 30. So it could be the early days in December. So they will now wrap up everything and then launch finally around December 30th, right? So it's possible that PAWS launched their airdrop around that same time that was stated on CoinMarketCap Telegram page, right? So we should keep our fingers crossed and expect PAWS to launch. Now, for those of you that are here to join PAWS, I would advise you that you should not miss out on this project. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So you go to the description, the first link you see there, click on it and join this airdrop. And for those of you that are already in the airdrop, there are so many things that you can do to make more PAWS token for yourself. It's not just about opening and clicking once. Let me show you some things that you can do right now to get yourself more PAWS token. So by the time they launch, you'll be making something significant, not the doors that we all are used to. You'll be making something very significant. Now, when you come to this place here that says earn, right here, you click on the earn and then it brings this limited, in-game and partners. So what you want to do now is to come to limited, make sure that you complete all these tasks, and then when you are done, you click on claim here. I've done this one, so I click on claim. That means I got 500 PAWS, right? You do this one also, the X, which is Twitter, you do that task there, and you also get rewarded 500 PAWS token. Now, when you come over here that says in-game, you go through everything and get things done right here, and you're also going to get rewarded for that. You can also make money by referring your friends, right? When you refer your friends and your community, you make more PAWS token for yourself, thereby making more money. So guys, I would like you to take this project serious. Don't give up because of the performances of the past projects. You shouldn't give up. Keep trying until you make that hit, right? So if you like this content that you just got, kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel to get more crypto related videos like this one you just watched. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.